Hello teacher friends and homeschool parents, welcome back. I am going to show you how to use one of my newest resources that I have on my Teachers Pay Teachers store, and it is working with division, 2-digit by 1-digit with remainders, and having the times tables list as part of the document. So that way you are filling in those gaps that your student who is struggling might have, or if you have a student with dyscalculia and just cannot remember those times tables list, my newest document is going to help you work with how do we divide and reduce that cognitive load so that you're not stressed out about times tables. So check it out. When using these types of worksheets, remember that the purpose of having the times tables listed is so that the student doesn't have to worry about remembering them. So having this accommodation is providing them the ability to focus on the work needed for the division algorithm. So as you can see here, whether we're using partial products, whether we're doing it old school, you are able to help the student focus on just how to divide using whatever algorithm, and you're giving them this accommodation and reducing that cognitive load, making it easier for them to learn. So if I was working with a student and trying to help them practice the algorithm of dividing, I would say, how many groups of 5 can we create if we have 38 items? And in order to help them navigate just working with the algorithm here, we're providing them, as you can see on the times tables list, at 7 groups of 5, and that's going to give us at least 35 groups. And when we do the subtraction, we're going to have 3 items left over. So I'll have 7 groups of 5, and I'll have 3 items left over. One final note about the document, you'll notice that there is a lot of white space, and that is because students don't write as small and neat as I do. So if my student was working on this document, they'd be writing much larger print, they'd be taking up a lot of space, and this provides that extra space for them. So just keep in mind that it was intentional to have just those 3 questions so that the student would feel that they could write however they needed to.